Ready to ditch the chaos and dial like a pro directly from your computer. First, open Follow Up Boss on your desktop. Make sure you are logged in with your username and password, then navigate to your contact list. You can call anyone in your CRM. Find the contact you'd like to call. Click on their name to open their profile. Notice the phone number displayed in the profile. This is how you will call the contact. Click the phone icon next to their number. This action initiates the call through the Follow Up Boss dialer. A small dialer window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll manage your call. It will show that Follow Up Boss is calling the contact. You can mute, put on hold, or end the call from this window. While on the call, take notes directly in the contact's profile in Follow Up Boss. This keeps all your communication history organized in one place. After the call, finalize your notes and save them. Follow Up Boss automatically tracks your calls, providing valuable data in your reports. This helps you analyze your calling activity and improve your follow-up strategy. This will allow you to streamline communication and improve call tracking for your real estate business.